Hello, so just by looking at this problem directly, many people might think that it is easy to solve until they start solving it out. So before I begin to solve it, pause this video for 5 seconds, then now from there you work it out, then comment your answers on the comment section. From there you shall have to confirm our answers. So let's now start with the solution. So on the solution, I will give you one of the mistake that most people make. So this one is a mistake. So let me work out the problem. 3 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 1. So this mistake can be, so let's just follow the rule that we have, the normal rule for the BODMAS. So B stands for the bracket, so we don't have the bracket, so we don't have the of, then now we have the division. So let's work out the division. So now we shall have 3 minus, so 6 divided by 2, we shall have it as 3, then plus 1. Then finally now, we shall now move to the addition sign because we cannot work out the subtraction first. So here now we shall have 3, then minus 3 plus 1 is 4. Then finally, 3 minus 1, the answer shall be minus 1. So now check at this. I've just followed the correct rule of solving this mathematical problem, but I end up with a wrong answer. Why? Because even when we know how to work it out, there are some particular things that we need to consider. I'll show you as we shall proceed. Now, so if you happen to get minus 1, you've got it wrong. So let me now give you the best solution. So let us work out it in the best solution. So it is like this now. So let me work out our maths problem. So 3 minus 6, then divide by 2 plus 1. So this one is our best solution. So we shall now work it out. 3 minus, so 6 divided by 2. Our answer is 3, then plus 1. So when you reach at this stage now, we need to know how we can play with the sign for the subtraction and addition sign. So let's rearrange it. So from here now we need to arrange it. That was the mistake that was done here now. There was no proper arrangement of this maths problem. So now when you arrange this part now, we shall now have 3, then plus 1, then minus 3, because all of this is minus 3. So we work it out on this other side. So when you begin with addition, 3 plus 1 is 4. Then now we shall have 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is positive 1. So that is the correct answer. So if you happens to get positive 1, you get it right. If you happens to get negative 1, you are wrong.